Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. What you're looking at is just your starter CW keyer for Morse code. I picked this off of gigaparts.com. It's nothing fancy, nice little starter if you're trying to learn CW. And this little circuit board here I picked up off of eBay. So you plug the power in, you plug in your keyer to this. Here's your audio volume and a 3.5 millimeter jack for a speaker or whatnot. I'm just using an external speaker, but probably be better to use an actual like amplified speaker or whatnot. But this is a nice little thing that you could set up real quick to practice Morse code and get to learn it. Once you have your thing hooked up, all you gotta do is turn it on. And you could sit here and practice. It's not very loud due to the speaker, if I had it plugged into my other one. But it's a nice little starter thing here. I'll get the camera closer here so you can actually see what this circuit board is. Let me put my stand away. But there's the name of it there on the left. Nothing really to it. I did have this all mounted to a little piece of wood. You know, kind of something like that. Had it like that mounted. So it kind of works out pretty nice. But nothing fancy. But nice little thing for a beginner like myself to try to learn without spending a lot of money. So that's it, folks. So get to learning CW. Thanks for watching.